Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're reviewing what is easily the best glass 10-gallon LED filter heater fish aquarium kit available online, the Tetra Aquarium 10-gallon complete tropical fish tank kit. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced aquarist looking to add a stylish and functional tank to your collection, this setup has everything you need to get started. Let's begin with the overall design. This is a 10-gallon rectangular glass aquarium with dimensions of 20 inches in length, 10 inches in width, and 12 inches in height. It's compact enough to fit in most indoor spaces, yet roomy enough to provide a healthy environment for small tropical fish. Weighing just 14 pounds, the tank is lightweight, making setup and adjustments hassle-free. Now let's talk about the heart of this kit. What's inside the box? You're getting a complete starter kit, which includes a low-profile glass aquarium, a hinged hood for easy access, and a built-in LED lighting system. The LED lights are energy efficient and provide a beautiful, natural daylight effect, which enhances the vibrant colors of your fish and plants. One of the standout features of this aquarium kit is the Tetra internal filtration system. It's not just any filter. It combines mechanical filtration to trap debris and chemical filtration with ultra-activated carbon, which helps remove odors, discoloration, and harmful toxins from the water. This ensures crystal clear water and a healthier environment for your aquatic pets. To make things even easier, Tetra includes water conditioner and fish food samples, so you can jumpstart your setup without needing to buy additional items right away. There's also a comprehensive setup and maintenance guide included, which walks you through the entire process, from unboxing to maintaining your aquarium in the long term. Another reason this kit stands out is how easy it is to set up. Everything is plug and play. You don't need advanced tools or experience. Just follow the instructions, rinse the tank and accessories, install the filter and lighting, condition your water, and you're good to go. If you're worried about compatibility, the Tetra 10-gallon kit is perfect for freshwater tropical fish. It's ideal for beginners who want to create a thriving aquatic ecosystem without the complexity of custom components. Plus, the aesthetic of the glass tank combined with sleek LED lighting makes it a modern and attractive addition to your home or office. While the shipping cost may seem steep, remember, this is a complete, high-quality kit, shipped securely from Amazon.com. In comparison to other kits on the market, like the Marina LED or Aqueon starter kits, Tetra offers a more streamlined all-in-one solution without compromising on build quality or essentials. And being Amazon's choice with hundreds of purchases last month, it's clear that many fish keepers trust and love this product. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and complete aquarium kit, the Tetra 10-gallon aquarium kit is a top-tier option. With quality materials, powerful filtration, and user-friendly setup, it's the best way to dive into the world of tropical fish keeping. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions about aquarium kits or fish keeping in general. See you in the next one.